Hello everyone, so if you wanna free up storage on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, so first of all open up your Play Store. Now we gotta find our search tab right here, and in your search bar you are to find your files by Google. So let's do this. Google. Alright, now choose your Files by Google application, press install. Now press open. You are to grant your permissions. Press continue. Enable the switch near allow permission. Now on the left side of the screen we can see a lot of different options. Let's go through them. So the one which you need is hidden under these three horizontal lines. So tap on them at the top left corner and find your clean option. Now on your clean option, find your junk files and simply press clean. Confirm your choice by pressing clear, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.